Hello friend, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 330 liters model horizontal mixer for our Salvador client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the food-grade powder material. And on the right part, we can see that we equipped a stainless steel ladder for this equipment. While for the mixer, the whole body we make it stainless steel. And the inside material contact part, we use food-grade stainless steel 316. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer to connect it directly, support the strong power. This is Siemens brand motor and reducer. And for the top lid part, we equipped a manhole powder material feeding part. This is a cover. Also, we equipped another spare connection flange for the pipes connection. And on the back position, it's a dust catcher. On the bottom, we use a pneumatic butterfly type valve for the material discharge control. And for the electricity part, we use Schneider as the main components. Also, we equipped a PLC system combined with the mechanical buttons, Siemens brand PLC system, touch screen. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. First, we focus on the cabinet panel. This PLC system button, motor on, motor stop, speed up, speed down. And also we equipped an engine switch button, emergency stop button. Control the butterfly type valve, open and close. Motor on, off, speed up, speed down. Jog, outlet valve. Now I start it. After set, the shaft speed would be displayed on this position. Current speed. You can make speed up. Speed down. First, we make the half speed. We can check the inside situation via the manhole. Now we can see that shaft rotating and the two layer ribbons. On the top of the mixer, behind the cover, we equipped protection net. Okay, no problem. Now it's working stable. And then also we can open the top lid to check. It's no problem. You can see that we equipped two parts protection net. Now I test the max speed. Speed up. Here it is. This is the max speed. Working stable, no problem. Next, I would like to introduce our safety protection system. It is regarding the two sensors on these two positions. Once the top production net removed, the mixer will stop. For example, I will display. Just now, I removed a little the protection net. The mixer stopped without any operation on the cabinet. This is for the safety consideration. However, as I just said, even in this situation, we equipped an in-chain switch function, jogging. In this position, jogging. I must keep my finger on the button continuously, like this. It is work. For this function, even during I remove the top cover, I can keep my finger on the jogging button. Shaft rotates. Remove, it not work. This is will help the cleaning of the mixer or maintenance of the mixer during the work. And lastly, I would like to display the pneumatic control butterfly type valve on the middle bottom. It is here. I test it. Okay, now it has opened, closed, opened, closed. So just now I had a simple test for the basic function of the new finished 330 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer for Salvador client used in food powder industry. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free contact for more information. This is from Carville Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.